Hi, this is Scott Weingold over at CollegeMadeSimple.com. Today what I wanted to talk about was the best way to improve your SAT scores, the easiest things you could do to make the biggest impact. First is give yourself plenty of time. The earlier you start studying, the better. There's no time too early to begin studying for the SAT, so the earlier you start doing this, obviously the more time you have, the better you'll do. Number two is focus on vocabulary. If you're going to focus on one thing, vocabulary is the fastest, surest way to improving your scores. Be deliberate. Don't spend a ton of time on those problems that you aren't really 100% sure of. Mark them down and move on. You don't want to be too fast and you don't want to be too slow. You just want to move at a steady pace and then obviously go back to the problems that you weren't 100% certain of. Know your strengths. As far as the easiest to improve to the hardest, writing has been proven to be the easiest to improve, then math, then reading. Reading tends to be the hardest one to improve. So if you're going to focus your time, know your strengths when you're going into this as far as where you should be spending your time. What's the easiest way to improve those scores? And practice, practice, practice. You definitely practice. Take practice tests, take prep courses, take whatever your study style is, online, classroom. Studies have shown that students have typically scored 10% higher those who have taken an online course as opposed to an in-person course, probably largely because of classroom distractions and time commitment and probably numerous other reasons. But just know yourself, know your strengths. These are some key ways to improve your SAT scores. If you're looking for other ways to increase your SAT scores, increases your chances of getting into your dream college, figuring out ways on how to pay for college, definitely check us out on www.collegemadesimple.com. Take care.